Hello, Narwhals. Just wanted to make a quick video about navigating through the OMS, especially focusing on her math course because we are your math teachers. So just a quick reference to when you log in, you've got your email here. Y'all, it's so important to check your email, so please make sure you're checking that daily. And then you have this link here that will have some quick links, and we'll go over more of that in class to make sure you know what you'll need to use there. But focus, so before we go into the course, this My Schedule, there's not going to be anything on there right now, but each day it'll list all of your required assignments, and it'll have your scheduled live classes over here. All right, so the classes. Let's go into the math class. Just wanted to show you how to navigate in there. So you click on that, and then you've got at the top, class home. What that does, it just takes you back to this page here that you see, and then you have a plan. The content is going to be one of the more important links, as well as the grades. So on this page, though, when you go to the class home page, you're going to have announcements here. So you need to make sure you're checking the class announcements. Once you go into that course, look to see if there's announcement. There'll be at least one a week that's updated, so check those. You'll have on the left upcoming events. It shows you that on the 17th of August, this should be today. You should be seeing this video today. This is the Welcome to Math 8 class. So that just kind of gives you a glance at upcoming events. Basically, it'll be things that you'll be required to do. And you can get to those things from here. That's one way. So if you clicked on this, it would take you to what you need to do. And you'll need to follow the directions and complete that. Then you could go back to class home. And if you wanted to look at the 18th, you could see that there. We are using online calculators, so y'all, it's very important that you click on this link here and you download that calculator. So the other thing I want to show you is the content here. So click on content. Let's see, it's loading. Loading. Oh, content always takes a while. Okay, so this is open because I had clicked on it. But if we go look on the left, you have the table of contents. This is the Welcome to 8th grade math section. So I click on that. It's going to show you everything in here that you need to review and go over. We have a syllabus. Here's grading information, the handbook, our school calendar, and you can see all of this information here. And there's that calculator link again. And guess what? We put it in there one more time for you because this is how important it is. You've got to use that calculator every day in math class. And yes, you get to use your calculator on the STAR test. So got to learn how to use that. Make sure you're using that. So the other units here are listed. So this is the first week. You'll be working on these couple of things here, the 17th and 18th. And then the Unit 1 starts, I'll click on that, starts the 21st. Now, yes, there's definitely more units. We just don't have those showing until we get closer to that date. So you'll be able to work in Unit 1. And again, you'll see that on the schedule. So let's just say I'm going to go over one more thing with the content here. If you have a quiz that you didn't do and it's not on your overdue list, you need to find it. Let's see, you can go down to each unit. Oh, well, and I should stress this to you too, because we know if you've completed these, it'll have a check mark. We can also go in as teachers and see how much time you spent on these. And you've got to go through these lessons, spend time in them, do them correctly, work out the problems, practice, do each part. So that first two they don't have a quiz. Let's see, classify real numbers. Here's the quiz. So if you hadn't taken it, need to go back and take it, you'll be able to find it here. The other place that you'll be able to find it, I'm going to show you, is grades. Now this is going to look a little different because I'm just in a student view and not actually logged in as a student. You'll have two sections in the grade book. Actually, it should look like this. So you have instructional achievement. This is 50% of your grade. These are your big test items. So you can see they're 30 points each. But this is a link to get to that test. Like if you didn't take it on the day that it was due, then you can go to the gradebook and find it this way, or you can go to content. All right, the other section, instructional practice, is also 50%, but you can see these are smaller point items, but you'll have a lot more of those. So you can look, there's 5-point items in most of those. So, all right, again, if you wanted to go back to the home page, you just click this. This is the math home page. This up here will actually take you to your other courses that you have. And then this home, the picture of the house here, will take you back to your OMS landing page. All right, if you have questions, just reach out to your teachers.